Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can create a community post on your mobile YouTube. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes under the video, and also write your comments. So friends, let's get started. And now I want to show you the whole process, from the very beginning, how you can create a post like this for your channel. First of all, you need to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your page. After that, tap on the plus sign at the bottom center to go to Create. Usually, when you will open this page, go to Create. You'll be on either the video page or the short page. But you'll need to scroll to the bottom to get to the post. Like I did. Next, friends, you can click at the top to write some text that you want. After that, you can also add some images. In order to do that, click right here. Select that image that you want and click Next. Now you can, in the next step, edit each of the images. For example, write some text on it or add some filter or a sticker. And you can do all of this with any of the images you've selected. And then at the top, click Next. And as you can see, the image is automatically already uploaded to your YouTube post. Also, what else can you do here? You can customize the time when this post will publish. If you don't want to publish it this minute, but let's say half a day later or 2 days later so you don't forget, you can click on this clock sign at the top. And here you can choose the date and time when the post will be published. Also, friends, you can choose whether this post will disappear or not. You can do that by clicking on the hourglass sign. And here you can choose whether your post will disappear or not. If it disappears, as you can see, there's an option after 24 hours. And in order to publish such a post on your channel, you will just have to click Post at the top. After that, it will start uploading and publishing this post on your YouTube channel. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily create a post on your mobile YouTube community. I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Friends, please don't forget to write your comments. Also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.